In this video, I will show you how you can install the iOS launcher on the Redmi 15C. So let's get started. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. Now from this list, just select your language. After you select your language, just tap on Continue. Then tap on Continue. And tap on Get Started. Tap on Skip. Now from here, you can select a background for your theme, or you can skip this step. I will select this background, then tap on Set Wallpaper. Now you can either purchase the premium version of this app, or you can select Continue with Ads. Now from here, just tap on Get Started. Select Set as Default, and select Launcher OS. Then select Set as Default. And after you do that, you will set the iOS launcher as the default launcher on your Redmi 15C. And this is how you can install iOS launcher on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.